Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Matthew is here from M&O FOREX Traders. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with a quick AUD USD forecast right here on a 30 minutes time frame. Watch the rest of the video to find out what I'm looking at and everything else. All right, so let's go. So from here, you are seeing USD on a 30 minutes time frame. Let me delete everything so that we start all over again. All right, so let's go. So what's making me think that this market is likely to go to the downside right now? Check out. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, of course we've seen that overall trend is down, right? So what I'm looking at, I saw this thing right here, this nice pin bar which was left here, this nice big candle right here. So if you follow that to the lower time frame, you can see that it's a very good big rejection right there. So let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. So from here you can actually see that this is a quick rally based drop supply zone. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. What are we looking for? We're looking for the order block. So you can clearly see that we had this nice order block right there. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. This is a very good level right here. So you can clearly see that we have the order block right there, rally based drop supply zone. And that's our order block right there. So wait for the market to come to that level right there. So let's go back to the 30 minutes time frame. That's the level we're looking at right there. Then we take it to the right side and do what? We wait for the price to come to our level. As you can see that right now, we have a rally based drop. So let's go ahead and input that level there. That's a rally based drop supply zone, right? Like that. And then yeah. So of course this is our higher high. So let's just put that there. This is our higher high right there. Good. So what are you noticing here? We have this very nice presentation right there. Okay, this is a very good presentation. You guys, if you've been following us for some time now, you would have actually recognized that. That's what we call you can call it a rising wedge. It's a rising wedge right there. So it's also an ascending triangle. Okay, so see that. So when we see this happening, what we're looking forward to, what we're expecting price to do is to actually break to the downside. All right, so let's see how this market is going to react once the market opens. So basically that's our setup right there. It's a very simple rally based drop supply zone, and then we have this compression right there, which you can also call as you can call as a rising wedge or a ascending triangle. So let's look at that. Okay, so what we're going to wait for price to do is wait and see if the market can actually come into our area right there. And once the market comes into our area, wait for our confirmation, then we can actually drop to this level right here. So we are targeting this low here, and our stop loss is just going to be above the higher high right there. So some of you might not know what a rising wedge looks like. Let me just show you. So let's Google rising wedge, right? If you Google the rising wedge right here, you are actually going to see that that's the pattern that is being presented right here. And oftentimes when we have a rising wedge, usually the market drops to the downside. So of course I'm not saying that this is exactly what's going to happen, but I'm saying that's what happens most of the time. So we will just wait for the price to actually do what it has to do, right? So this is how it is. Okay, so I hope you found some value on this video. So other than that, you guys, we have a promotion on our signals right here. So we are having an early Black Friday, which is running from today up to the 30th of November. So take advantage of these prices will actually reduced. So if you want 1 month signals, it's just $29. For 2 month signals, it's $49, and 3 month signals, it's about $99. And if you want 6 months, you just pay $290. You know, guys, our usual signals are $50 per month, right? So you guys, this is something that you can actually take advantage of. Okay, so if you need any of these, if you need our services, the links are down in the description. Check the link, and you're able to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. you're able to actually talk to me. All right, so you guys, so let's see how this trade actually plays out. And I'll make a video about this, what happens. I'll post it on our Facebook channel right there. So we're about 3 hours, I mean 2 to 3 hours from the market opening. So let's see how this market is going to go. All right, so you guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.